Yeah, dude, I make this so quick and easy. Watch this, ready? Welcome back, game members, boys and girls. If you haven't noticed, we've teleported into absolute heaven. I have a GT3 RS behind me, a beautiful AMG, a one-of-one Porsche, and this big old boat sitting right here in the middle. We've met up with Gavin from Last Touch Detail, and we are making this thing restored back to its former glory, at least to his expertise. You know, I'm just gonna be a good little boy and do as I'm told. So far, he's got the paint absolutely beautiful. I'll throw some of his clips in here, and then we'll kind of go over what he's done so far, what we need to do, and a lot of B-roll footage. I do want to show off this absolute beautiful GT3 RS spec with blue magnesium wheels, YZEC package, just an absolute dream car. It's absolutely phenomenal. He's doing a full detail on that as well. I don't trust any other guy to touch my car at this point. He's that anal. So what have you done so far for the Audi?
So far I did an exterior detail that includes the engine bay, the jams, the full exterior, as much as I can get my hands underneath, the barrels of the wheels, clay barred everything. This car wasn't in horrible shape in terms of like contaminants on the paint, so the wash didn't take me 3 or 4 hours like I expected. It only took me like 2, so that's good. And then so far I've got half of the car polished, well I should say half the car compounded. Today Connor and I are gonna hopefully get the other half done so I can get it polished before the night and coat it tomorrow.
Well, it's currently like 8:10, 8:15, and work doesn't get done until we start working. So we're gonna start working and go from there.
When I was researching what was going to be discussed today, I came across a passage in the book that I think really exemplifies what the young brother next to me was just talking about. And that all things must come to an end. It is an inevitable part of the cycle of existence. All things must conclude.
It's hectic. I just got off work, and now we are trying to fix the car.
Right, but what I'm saying is, so see here right now like this, if we were perpendicular, but because the car's like this, that's why that one's off and this one's dead on. We need the rear end going over that way would help. Can you get it though? Yeah.
Yo, I just got back from Gilmore Car Museum for the Deutsche Marquis show. Drove this beautiful car. It's pretty neat, once in a lifetime kind of thing, but the only thing that sucks is he was supposed to come to the show today. I had his car basically ready, but unfortunately he didn't get to come out. So when I got here, it's sitting outside looking pretty, and I figured I'd show you guys before I stick it back inside, because it's just, I did crazy. That's it, y'all.
Okay, the last place we left off was Friday night when we had like 6 people working on the car at once to address the O2 sensor issue. Now that that's all fixed, we can go ahead and do 2 things today. I am here with Chris from Garage Grit. We're gonna install the blow-off valve while Gavin kind of finishes up some more detailing touches, and then we're gonna ceramic coat the car. So while Gavin does his little thing, we'll do our little thing, and then eventually we'll just grind out finishing up the ceramic coating and go from there. You said what now? In the Porsche?
Yep. Just drove at the gas station. He was like, bro, is that your car? He was like, how much was that? I was like, I can't say, bro. He was like, alright, man. Sick fucking car. That every single day. He should have known that's not my fucking shit. It's like, bro, is that your 200K Ford?
Up though.
I just ate it up. I was like, yeah, boy. Forever ago when Connor still had his.
There's longer ones. The longer ones are on the outside. Yeah. No.
Oh no, okay.
Yeah. The two longer ones go on the outside, so just remember that. I'm just gonna take off the cone.
Rest in peace, man. I'm a scream nigga, all I do is talk, yeah. Woman in your city, nigga, know they gon' play. I ain't looking for a free throw, looking for a free go. Cuban link chain on my neck, weigh a kilo, nigga, just violated. Piss 32 is being on the real. I want the team, you was zero. Damn, met a bad bitch, she was real. On the West Coast, but she said she from the inner.
Part, and then they're the easiest things to take off.
Whoa. I was like, I'm trying to like hint you this is work.
Bring a nigga shit, boy, I hate lanes. All my niggas sell dope or gangbang. Me and Cash just to act right. You ain't in a foreign, you don't look right. In the club, got them bottles on replay. Tryna break a record like a DJ. That's 150 bottles in one night. I get it, bitch, some act right. Act right, act right, act right, act right. Money don't fold, is it act right? Act right, act right. Nigga playing games, get that act right. Going, back to the bank.
So basically, what had happened was one of the hose clamps provided was stripped, and so it wouldn't tighten down one of the knobs. So here I am at AutoZone buying some hose clamps.
Just them grabbing the wrong part. What's happening recently?
Dang.
Playing games, get that act right.
All right.
Back to the bank. Rest in peace to my son. I'm a fly nigga, I'll take your hoe. I had to leave this shit, they me like Coco. The devil talking to me, but I don't hear him. Act like I'm deaf like Sosa. Fuck you, fuck him, fuck them. Fuck my ex in the popos. 100 bottles in the club for no reason. Niggas start tripping, boom, bow, no bean. Fendi on my shoes, Fendi on my bed. I'm in the Fendi store, I don't need help. All gold, everything like Trinidad. I went to high school with you, bitch, you been a rat. I don't got money problems, I got trust issues. Two things I gotta stay with, two pistols. In the club, got them bottles on replay. Honey, tryna break a record like a DJ. That's 150 bottles in one night. I get it, bitch, some act right. Act right, act right. Money don't fold, is it act right? Act right, act right. Nigga playing games, get that act right. Yeah, I had to do it for the street home. Do right, get money, live life home. Got it, yeah. White chick, yeah. Silk chick, yeah.
Young nigga move that dope. Young nigga move that dope, baby, move that dope, baby, move that dope. Young nigga move that dope. Young nigga move that dope. Young nigga move that dope, baby, move that dope, baby, move that dope. Young nigga move that dope. Young nigga move that dope. Young nigga move that dope, baby, move that dope, baby, move that dope. Young nigga move that dope. Young nigga move that dope. Young nigga move that dope, baby, move that dope, baby, move that dope. Young nigga move that dope. Whipping the yam, whipping and flipping the yam. Turning her brick to a lamb, we rocking the dope. Soon as they get off the road, keeping it soft like a meat. Go to my link, coke in the sink, topping that work like a ratty. Serving a new Maserati, in a brand new Maserati. That's a whole lot of new money. Sashing and hiding from 12, moving the squares and them bills. Serving the raw, say yeah. Beating that China like Kunta Kinte. Whipping it, fishing for a cake. Fucking no syrup, I'm rolling up hay. Make myself a boss in the plug. Either way you put it, nigga, I'm good. Triple salute, nigga, straight out the hood. Back us all the water splash, I'm scared. I right in my pot in my left. Leaning all way over to the side. I whip me your 4-way to a 9. The dirty, the money is homicide. And my recipe can't be televised. Young nigga move that dope. Young nigga move that dope.
still sell dope, but old enough that I knows better. When they saying it's 42 for that white powder, I knows better. Get it, nigga, I knows better. Put a smile on the devil's face. Who don't wanna sell dope forever and flood they roll into the vessel break? Fish scale and a two-door that I fish tails. Fiberglass, Ferrari leather, and designer shit that I misspelled. Yeah, look at the clues, the J's, the jewels, I'm acting the wrong, yeah. From 16 years old, I'm whipping in kitchens, fucking my junkies.
Okay. So it is like hang on. 6:33 in the morning, Monday. Last night, tuner was like, all right, go ahead, do a third gear, 2,000 to 7,000. Car moved good. And then we developed a boost leak. So I woke up this morning, checked everything over. It's gonna be a little dark in here. However, this little guy right here, one of the inlet pipes to the turbo is ripped. And this clamp was like way up here, and so I think that was causing a boost leak. However, we are safe and sound inside of the garage, letting the ceramic coat cure fully. We take a nice little peeky. That thing is sitting nice and pretty. Getting one step closer every day. Gonna continue grinding. At Fresh Coast, it was leaking oil, and now that it's here inside of its natural home, now it's not leaking oil. So I don't know. Bipolar car, yeah. Happy, kind of. Fun. So I'm tired, exhausted, ready to go back to work, continue grinding. Hopefully that fixes the boost leak. If not, smoke test it, figure out where she's leaking boost from, and kind of go from there. Don't forget to, like and comment. I don't care if you subscribe or not. I don't care if you share the video or not. But comment, man. I want to know what you're thinking. I want to know what goes inside of that head of yours. Have a great rest of your week.